Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Peppa Pig traveling to Kenya and seeing monkeys. In this video, it's all about adventure and discovery. Grab your crayons and paper. Let's draw together. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go. And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you what happened in this story. One morning, Peppa Pig's family got a big surprise. Daddy Pig opened a letter and said, "Guess what, everyone? We're going on a trip to Kenya." Peppa clapped her hands. "Kenya? Where's that?" Mummy Pig smiled. "It's a country in Africa, Peppa, full of animals, sunshine, and beautiful nature." George squeaked with joy and made his little dinosaur roar. He thought maybe there would be dinosaurs in Kenya too. Soon they were packing their bags with hats, sunscreen, and lots of snacks. Peppa picked her pink travel bag and said, "I can't wait to meet new friends." The airplane took off and Peppa looked out the window. Below, the clouds looked like fluffy marshmallows. She imagined the adventures waiting for them far away. When they landed in Kenya, everything looked so bright and colorful. On their first day, a guide named Amina welcomed them. She said, "Today we're going to visit the forest where playful monkeys live." Peppa gasped, "Monkeys? Really? Will they talk to us?" Amina laughed gently, not with words, but with funny sounds and big jumps. The forest was alive with chirping birds and rustling leaves. Suddenly, swoosh! A monkey swung from one tree branch to another, right above Peppa's head. "Yeek! Ooh! Ah!" the monkey called, and then two more monkeys joined. Peppa giggled so much she nearly dropped her hat. Guess what happens when one monkey sees snacks? Yes, you're right. The cheeky monkey tried to peek inside Daddy Pig's backpack. What do you think happened next? Did Daddy Pig keep the snacks safe, or did the monkeys sneak a treat? If you think the monkeys are super cheeky, give this video a big like. But that's not all. Peppa noticed something special. One monkey wasn't just swinging, it was copying George. When George jumped, the monkey jumped. When George clapped, the monkey clapped. When George roared like his toy dinosaur, the monkey tilted its head and made a silly roar too. Peppa laughed so hard she fell onto the soft grass. "George has a monkey twin," she shouted. The monkeys gathered together, chattering as if they were welcoming Peppa's family to their forest. The guide Amina said, "In Kenya, monkeys are curious and love to make friends, but we must respect them and never chase them." Peppa nodded wisely. That means we watch and giggle, but we don't disturb. So what happened with the snacks? Well, Daddy Pig tried to keep them tucked away, but one clever monkey reached out, grabbed a banana, and zipped up the tree before anyone could blink. Instead of being upset, Daddy Pig chuckled. Well, I guess this monkey really wanted a snack too. Peppa clapped her hands. Sharing is caring, even with monkeys. And that's the story of how Peppa Pig traveled to Kenya, met new friends, and laughed with cheeky monkeys in the trees. That's also why today we're drawing Peppa in Kenya with the monkeys all around her. And keep drawing and coloring with me, because the final image will surprise you.
Let's draw Peppa Pig!
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Peppa Pig traveling to Kenya and seeing monkeys, and learned that adventures are even more fun when you make new friends and share a little kindness. And if you love fun stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you next time, friends! Bye!